chisel tip.
Anyway, Woodsuck here. Hope everyone's doing okay out there on this beautiful Sunday. Doing something a little different. I'm just doing a side project here for some friend. Using this kind of semi-punky plank of ponderosa that I cut with my chainsaw. Gives it a more aged look since it's kind of decomposing a little bit, but still solid wood. It's got a Western style motif signage. But anyway, it's a simple and quick way to make something. Make some extra cash, do a side hustle with your wood projects. I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. You can torch it, give it some more definition. And then I'm going to go over with some white paint to bring out the lettering even more. Then I'll throw a clear coat over it. Using a Q-tips for them because I don't have a proper paintbrush that size, so like I just had to improvise. Kind of ghetto, but hey, I went through about 8 Q-tips for the whole process because they get disintegrated after a while. Yeah, I put a clear coat over it, kind of darkened it. It'll probably lighten up a little bit, but this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. Simple. Make up your own custom signs.